gonna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul. The California gold found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I hold you up with words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way.
Hello again guys, welcome back to Floremi Zoper Vlog. Mga kamimi, I get a package from Miss Mags. So, ano to siya guys? T-shirt siya. Sponsored by the Taliban LDR channel. Something like that. So, Sir Taliban, thank you so much. I get your present to us. So, it's two item. This one is what you call that. The other one t-shirt is go to Ati Sweet Skate Vlog. So I'm the one accepting because maybe who knows that I will go to their place or something like that. Only God knows. So guys, I unbox this one. Honestly guys, it's totally open because when I accept it, I open immediately because I learned my lesson about this package that nothing inside. So I open it immediately before the what you call that, the courier of LBC going out. So it's a t-shirt from Sis Mags. It's a Sis Mags t-shirt and sponsored by the Taliban. Sir Taliban, thank you so much. So, 2 item siya guys. 2 item siya. Inopen ko na siya guys kasi sinek ko siya kung nandito ba. Ito kay Ate Sweet Skate. Kasi small siya. Cotton. Ang ganda ng ano niya. Ang ganda ng t-shirt niya kasi blue corner, Italian sport design. So is this one, you can buy this one in Miss Max channel. So this one we don't buy it. It's sponsored by Taliban, Sir Taliban, the Taliban channel RDR. So I open it. This is Ate Sweet Skate. It's not fit to me because it's a extra small. So it's a small one. So it's not fit to me. So it's a good design here. YouTube Miss Mag. See? So on the back is this one. I love Miss Mags. So this is Ate Sweet Skate. So I'll be the one opening. But before I will download it, I just make a video for her so he can upload to his channel, her channel also. So and this is for me. So this is mine because I'm I'm a big mama na, big mama. I'm a big mama. So I prepare a XL. So XL, extra large for me. So yan. Ang cotton niya guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng cotton niya. Soft. Soft siya guys. Tapos, ano siya. Malaki siya sa akin. Gusto ko to kasi maluwag. Pwede nang mag-ano dito. Mag-short lang. Tapos, anito na. So, prefer ko yung extra kasi, ano, malaki na akotch. I'm a big mama. So, pinili ko siya. Maganda siya. So, ito try natin. So, let's see for a while. So, ito na guys, na-try ko na siya. Ano siya, comfy siya sa akin. Hindi siya tight. Ayoko kasi ma-tight siya. Ayoko siya. Gusto ko maluwag siya para ang ganda niya. Diba? Max. Thank you so much, Sir Taliban, for giving me this one. I'm not expecting that you give me this. You sponsored to me. I like it. I like this Max. It's what you call that. It's not tight. I like it. So, thank you so much, Sir Taliban channel. Thank you so much. Super thank you for sponsoring me the hat that you give me. Thank you so much. And this one also. This one is expensive though, but you share your blessing to me. So, thank you so much and God bless. And I hope you will you keep going helping and sponsor the person that good to you. And thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate this one. So, ganda na siya. So, ito na siya guys. Ito na siya. Sis Max. Love, love, love. So, ganda siya kasi hindi siya sa akin masikip. Itong gusto ko, makahinga ako. Kasi big mama na ako. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you keep watching my video and comment down so I can visit you again in your house. So, thank you so much, Sis Mags and the Taliban channel. Thank you. Mwah. Super thank you. I get this one. I get this one. So, I will wash this one, then I will wear it. And I will wear this one. I will go to town and wear it. And I will do vlog. Sure. Bye!
What's up mga kameme? This is Florini Super Vlog. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care always, God. Love you. See you around. Mwah mwah mga kameme. Be safe mga kameme. Mwah mwah.